you'll notice that when you select a orthogonal view, and then when you select a camera view, the tools in the lower right-hand corner, the view tools, change. So I click on a front view, I have one set of tools, and I click on the camera view, and I got the same set of tools, but built specifically for a camera. These tools are the dolly camera, dolly target, dolly target and camera, and we'll look at these. Let's start with the dolly camera. Go in the camera view, and this actually moves the camera. You can see in the front view it's moving the camera closer or farther away. And that's called a dolly. If I select the dolly target, you'll notice that the target moves and the camera stays stationary. If I select dolly target and camera, both objects move. You can see in the front view that both my camera and my target are dollying. The next button is the perspective view. The perspective view enables you to change the distance between the camera and the target without changing the location of the target. And when you do this, the field of view changes accordingly. And you click on the button and drag up and down. You can see it's changing the perspective slightly. You can see in the top view, or the front view rather, that the camera is moving and the target is staying stationary, and the field of view is changing. The next tool is the roll camera tool. Click this, and drag left and right to roll the camera around its axis. Its axis, by the way, goes straight in and out of the lens. The zoom extents button, all, works just the way it does in the front view and top view with those view tools, and so does the min-max toggle. It minimizes and maximizes the camera view. Then we have the orbit camera and the pan camera tools. The orbit camera orbits, see I select it, it lets you orbit around your camera target by clicking and dragging. The pan tool basically is the opposite. It orbits your target around your camera. So the orbit tool orbits the camera around the target, and the pan tool orbits the target around the camera. The truck camera tool lets you truck or move sideways with the camera, and it also moves the target. So you can also move up and down and left and right, and that's called a truck in cinematography. And finally, you can change the field of view by clicking on the field of view tool and clicking and dragging. And this just changes the perspective of the lens of the camera. You can do a fisheye, a telephoto, and everything in between. So, when you click on a view that's orthogonal, you get a different set of view tools. When you click on a camera view, you get a set of tools that are specific to the camera object.